So, welcome back, part two. So, for one reason or another, we didn't actually get started on doing camper conversion, but we're on a bank holiday, it's Sunday, it's 28 degrees. What better time to start? Let's get going. Right then, so now that bit's done, it's time to get all these boards off. We do need to save them for templates for when we panel it all out and everything, especially floor. That's a little bit of a nightmare to do, so yeah, time to start fetching them up and identifying anywhere what could be leak problems. So quite a productive hour and a half, floor up, sides off. Just going to get a jet wash out now. Obviously I can't use camera though because they'll get absolutely wet through. And then next job I'll be taking partition off. So yeah, quite a good productive hour and a half. So just one last thing to do for today. We're going to remove bulkhead now. All floors clean, sides are clean. I'm just going to give them a once over obviously when all this is out. But yeah, very productive day so far. So a very productive day one of the build. So we've got it all stripped down now. Next things to do will be sound deadening, and then after that we'll get some insulation in it. I'm going to start doing some research now on what sort of insulation we need. Obviously I've got floor to put down, which will be insulated, and then you ply on top, and then fill in all this sort of stuff with insulation as well. So as I said in my previous video, there is 5 of us, so I've got to make as much use of the space what I can. So yeah, I made a start, that's main thing. So for today's episode, over and out. Episode 2, van build. Have a good remainder of the day. I'll see you.